Hello and welcome everyone. I am Tanya and you're watching Learn with Ears. So today we are looking at how to use has and have. First of all, let's understand when to use has and have. We use has or have to show ownership. When someone is the owner of something, we use has or have. So here these are subject pronouns. I, we, you, they. These are plural, and he, she, it. These are singular. Okay? With I we use have. With we use have. You have. They have. And with he we use has, she has, it has. Okay? I have, we have, you have, they have, he has, she has, and it has. Now let's see some examples. So first is he. We use he for a boy or for a man, means for males. Okay, he is a singular pronoun. Okay, if you want to learn more about singular and plural pronouns, just click here and watch the video, or you can get the link in description box. So he has a laptop. Okay, he has. With he we use has because he is a singular pronoun. Okay. Next, she. She has a box. Okay, she is a singular pronoun, so we use has. She has. Remember, we use she with a woman or with a girl. Okay, she is a singular pronoun. Now next is it. We use it with an animal or a thing. It has a football. Okay, it has a football. But if you're treating a dog as a family member, you can use he. Okay, or if you're telling a story, you can use he. Now I. With I we use have. I have many toys. I have many toys. Okay? Next is you. You is used when a speaker is speaking and a person is listening. Okay? We can use you for singular and plural both. Okay? Here you have 2 bags. You have 2 bags. Okay, with you we use have. Remember, we can use you with singular and plural. If there is a group of people, then also we can use you. Like a teacher speaks in class to all the students that you have to solve these questions. Okay, so there the teacher is using you for many students, okay, for plural. But here there is a man, okay, only one person, so we are using you. You have 2 bags. Now next, we is used for plural subjects. Okay, when there is more than one person, we use we. We have a big house. We have a big house. With we use have because we is a plural subject. Okay, now next is they. We use they when 2 or more people are pointing out or talking about many people, others. Okay, so we use they. They have a big farmhouse. Okay? They have a big farmhouse. Now let's do some practice. I have a car. Okay? With I, we use have. We have 2 cars. Okay? We have. With we use have. We have 2 cars. Next, you have a small house. Okay? With you, we use have. You have. A means singular. Okay? A small house. You have a small house. Next, they have. Okay? They have. With they, we use have. They have a big house. You have a small house. They have a big house. She has a new watch. She is singular, so we use has. Okay? She has. He has a new phone. He is also singular subject, so we use has. Okay? He has. It has. It has a banana. So here we have to use has or have. The girl, a pencil. Here again we have a singular noun. Girl. Girl is singular noun. Okay? Single. With singular noun we use has. The girl has a pencil. Now next sentence is they, ideas. Okay? They. It is a plural subject. With plural subject we use have. They have ideas. They have ideas. Now next, we, nothing to say. We, nothing to say. Okay? We is a plural subject. With plural we use have. Okay? We means many people, including a speaker. So we use have. We have. Next, they. Again, with they we use have. They have an ugly pet. Okay? Next, my sister, a beautiful dress. Okay? Sister means singular noun. She can be a girl or a woman, but singular. Okay? With singular noun we use has. My sister has a beautiful dress. My sister has a beautiful dress. Next sentence, a boy, a toy car. A boy has a toy car. Okay? Because boy is singular noun. We use a with singular noun. Okay? A with singular noun. So we use has. Next, people. People don't anything to eat. People don't anything to eat. Here we are talking about people. Okay? More than one. Okay? Many persons. So we use have. People don't have anything to eat. Okay? Next, she, a lot of money. She, a lot of money. She means a girl or a woman, one person. Okay? One noun. So we use has. She has a lot of money. She has a lot of money. Okay? I an intelligent friend. Okay, we know with I we use have. I have. Okay, I have an intelligent friend. We're using an because here we have a vowel. Okay, so that's why we use an. N. I have an intelligent friend. Next, I know you a pet at home. So you, okay? I know a person, a speaker is talking to someone, to the listener. You, with you we use have. I know you have a pet at home. Okay, next sentence. Jack and John cars. Okay, so here there are two people, Jack and John, right? Two people, plural. With plural we use have. Jack and John have cars. Next sentence is my father an old mother. My father is singular, okay, single person, of course. So we use has. My father has an old mother, right? These dogs milk to drink. Okay, dogs, plural, many. So we use have. These dogs have milk to drink. Next, I a small house. I a small house. With I we use have. When we talk about the existence of something, we use have. I have a small house. Children many toys. Children many toys. We are talking about many kids. Okay, more than one. So with more than one we use have. Children have many toys. Children have many toys. Now let's see the final sentence. My son a bad habit. Okay, my son, one kid, one child, singular. So we use has. My son has a bad habit, right? Now this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.